Unleash the power of your Chromebook with these top 5 Android apps. Did you realize that your Chromebook is capable of running apps from the Google Play Store? This powerful feature has been a part of Chrome OS for nearly a decade, allowing users to enjoy a rich experience by installing Android applications directly on their devices. This guide highlights 5 remarkable Android apps that can truly elevate your Chromebook experience. Music players. Apple Music. Simply open the Google Play Store on your Chromebook, type in Spotify or Apple Music and download the application. By installing these apps, you not only gain access to their interfaces, but also the ability to download music for offline listening, something that is impossible with web players. Having an offline music library is particularly vital when you find yourself in places with unreliable internet, like coffee shops with weak Wi-Fi signals. With music downloaded, you can immerse yourself in your favorite songs and focus on your tasks without interruptions, thanks to these Android apps. 4. Adobe Lightroom. As a photography enthusiast, I have depended on Adobe Lightroom as my primary editing tool for over 10 years. Recognized as a gold standard in photo editing, it's exciting to know that your Chromebook can support this powerful application, albeit with a few limitations. While the full desktop versions, Adobe Lightroom CC and Lightroom Classic, aren't available on Chrome OS, you can easily get the Adobe Lightroom app from the Google Play Store. This mobile version retains most essential features comparable to the desktop app. And what's even better is that it can be used without a subscription. To edit RAW files, a subscription is necessary, but you can comfortably edit JPEGs and PNGs without one. Plus, when you have a subscription, you can edit RAW files with full capability on your Chromebook. Remarkably, this app even functions offline for the majority of its features, making it ideal for on-the-go editing during your travels. 3. Canva. Though I have a deep-rooted preference for Photoshop, I've found that Canva has gradually captured my attention. Known for simplifying graphic design, it offers an accessible platform for everyone, contrasting starkly with the often cumbersome and costly Photoshop. Installing Canva on your Chromebook is a breeze. Simply access the Google Play Store and log in to your account. I often utilize Canva on my Chromebook to create various graphics for my church, and I can confidently say it performs just as efficiently as it does on my high-end MacBook Pro. Its lightweight nature means it doesn't require hefty processing power, making it an ideal choice for Chromebook users who need to engage in graphic design or quick photo edit tasks, such as resizing images effortlessly. 2. LumaFusion. What if I told you your Chromebook could serve as a complete video editing station? Enter LumaFusion, a top-tier non-linear editor, NLE, that delivers excellent performance on Chrome OS. While this application requires a one-time purchase through the Google Play Store, it is a worthwhile investment if you engage in video editing. After acquiring the app years ago for my iOS devices, I can confidently affirm that the relatively modest price of around $30 pales in comparison to the more exorbitant costs of professional editing software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro. With LumaFusion, you can edit video files stored either on your Chromebook or an external drive. The app provides a plethora of functionalities, such as adjusting playback speed, merging clips, adding text overlays, and even recording voiceovers right within the app. If you're yet to experiment with LumaFusion, I highly recommend giving it a try. It could redefine how you edit videos on a Chromebook. Star SP. For keeping in touch with friends and managing websites, I frequently turn to Discord. I actively oversee a number of sizable servers, making it imperative that I access Discord without any hassle. Enter the Discord app, available on the Google Play Store. The app operates flawlessly on a Chromebook, making the entire functionality of Discord easily attainable. Whether it's audio or video calls, server management, or chatting with friends, everything just flows naturally. The experience is so seamless that it feels more like a native application on a laptop rather than just an Android app. This remarkable execution truly surprised me, making it one of the standout applications for my Chromebook. Explore Linux apps. Did you know you can also install Linux applications on your Chromebook? If there's a specific tool you're looking for that isn't available on the Google Play Store, it's quite possible you can find it in the Linux ecosystem. I've successfully installed programs like Obsidian, GIMP, Darkroom, and numerous others. This functionality empowers you to expand your Chromebook's capabilities well beyond what is typically sanctioned by Google's App Store. Don't limit yourself. Unlock the full potential of your Chromebook today.